Welcome again on Igbohistory TV. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Turn on the notification button for more updates. Igboukwu in English, Great Igbo, is a town in the Nigerian state of Anambra, in the southeastern part of the country. The town comprises three quarters, namely Obiono, Ngo, and Ihite, an agglomeration of 4 quarters with several villages within each quarter and 36 administrative wards. It is also bordered by Oreri, Ichida, Azigbo, Ezinifite, Amichi, Isiofia, Ikenga, and some other towns. Others include Ekulummiri, Umuona, etc. Igboukwu is notable for 3 archaeological sites, where excavations have found bronze artifacts from a highly sophisticated bronze metal working culture dating to 9th century AD, centuries before other known bronzes of the region. The first, called Igbohistory, was uncovered in 1938 by Isaiah Anozie, a local villager who found a bronze works while digging beside his home. 5 bronze artifacts from the original excavation are now in the British Museum's collection. They include a small staff, a head of a ram, a large manila, an intricately designed crescent-shaped vessel, and a small pendant in the shape of a local chief's head, with scarification itching marks on the face. Former excavations by the archaeologist Thurstan in 1959, at the request of the Nigerian government, resulted in the discovery of other 2 sites, Igbo Richards and Igbo Jonah, containing the remains of an ancient culture. Later, these were excavated as well. Artifacts have included jewelry, ceramics, a corpse adorned in what appears to be regalia, and many assorted bronze, copper, and iron objects. Some of these contain materials that are evidence of a long-distance trading system extending to Egypt. Radiocarbon dating placed the sites to 850 AD, which would make the Igboukwu culture the earliest known example of bronze casting in the region. The craftsmen were working centuries before those who made the more well-known Ife bronzes. The archaeological sites in southeastern Nigeria are associated with the Nri Igbo. The 3 sites include Igbohistory, a shrine, Igbo Richard, a burial chamber, and Igbo Jonah, a church. Artifacts found in these sites have shown that by the 9th century AD, the Igboukwu people had established a complex religious system and economy based on agriculture and trade with other African people as far as the Nile Valley. Though this is from the Western perception, the inhabitants of Igboukwu had a metal working art that flourished as early as the 9th century. 3 sites have been excavated revealing hundreds of ritual vessels and regalia casting of bronze or leaded bronze that are among the most inventive and technically accomplished bronzes ever made. The people of Igboukwu, originally known as Igbo, ancestors of present-day Igbo, were the earliest meters of copper and its alloys in West Africa. Working the metal through hammering, bending, twisting, and incising, they are likely among the earliest groups of West Africans to employ the lost wax casting techniques in the production of bronze sculptures. Oddly, evidence suggests that their metal working repertoire was limited, and Igbo smiths were not familiar with techniques such as resin, soldering artifacts, riveting, and wire making, though these techniques were allegedly used elsewhere on the continent.